wire. Where in the world is touch wire? Touch wire, touch wire, touch wire. Touch wire, touch wire, touch wire. He's coming soon, but I don't know. Oh, look, squishies. Ooh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Wow, that's so many. What is this? A squishy too? Oh, this is not a squishy. This is a teddy bear. Ooh. See that? I can't see that properly. Let's see. Okay. I wonder what's inside that one. That's cute. What in the world is this? He's afraid. I think this is the house of Tech Wire. Let me switch on the lights. Is that still light? Okay. Oh, I know which is Tech Wire. He's this one. This is Hello Kitty. I think this is his sister. Okay. Oops. Squeezy. Okay. There. And he's so cute. Check that. See, what's his sister? Let's see property. Okay, let me see. I think that's the sister. This is another. Who is this? This is the mate. Another picture of his friend. Okay, wait. Okay, oopsies. Oh, that's so cute. I don't know if you could see him, but he's a firefighter. Oops. Blurrified. I think that's his father's birthday. Okay. That is tiny. Is that you? Get out, Mr. Oh no. Mister, wake up. Hello. Never mind, let's just find for him here back again. Oh my gosh! He must be here. He must be here. Mr. Tech Wire.
Hey guys! I was just hiding for you. This is Xbox that I was talking about, the episode about carbon food. Here is Xbox One, the very old one. It's not the same as the one that you see the Tech Rex.
Or Tech RX. What are these?
Those I just later I'll talk to you about it. But not the comb or the handkerchief. This really is expensive. I just got it on 1987 Xbox One. But it's quite small now. But you could put it near. You could put it near this video. If anyone have this video. TV here, you're gonna be so perfect. And PS3, you're gonna be so perfect. But please be careful. Don't drop the laps. Please don't drop, or else the whole thing will be spoiled. If you see Luigi time, the Smash Bros. Come on. This is a Pito competition.
I thought this is all not technical. Why are you talking about all this?
But I'm not going to talk to you about it now. This is Xbox remote. As you can see, this is like the PS3 remote. This is actually the PS3 remote. Now we go and call someone and add this to the Xbox. I'm not telling the telephone number. If you want to play the Xbox, you have to fix all below here. Here, right back. This is just for the controller. This is a 2 remote, but it's gone. That's why we have this. It's actually from the PS3. So we're moving on. If anyone had this box, that would be very good. Is it shining to you?
No.
Okay. Come on, let's go to bed. See, very expensive, but it's good. Come on, let's go down. Go down. Come on. Hey, put it on the floor again. I know you're
This is all the technology.
I know it's like that, but if you press it and come out a sound and the light.
Hey, stop it. Stop!
You want to see inside?
Such a very nice game. But this is not technology. You're supposed to give us technology.
So what? But come on.
I'll be waiting here for you.
No, we're not going here anymore.
Seriously? You are so dark. Okay, you can go now.
Come on, let's go. I will be taking the video from an Apple iPad. Very powerful.
Mister, it's already 8 minutes.
It's okay. Come on. It's always like that.
But I only have a few more percent.
Here is an Apple iPhone, but it's a fake. It's a fake because you see this.
This is all technology.
It's technology, Kaka. See here. That's supposed to be somewhat eaten one piece.
Give me that.
One piece.
In my phone. What is all this?
Because it just break. Here is where you put the SIM card. But as you can see, there's blue buttons here. You wonder how to move this, right? Yeah, you can move the buttons. Why do we? just press the button. Just press the button behind you. And it'll move. You can't move the icons, but like I said, it's a fake on, so it's always gonna be 100%. The camera lens is still the same, but it's just not glass.
Can you just cut to the chase already?
But I think I'm moving on. This is a flashlight.
Ah! Okay, stop.
The flashlight is like this. Some sort of, can't tell you about it a lot. So let's move on. If any one of you had this Spartan, woo! Boom! Come on! I thought this is a real life. I thought it's a cartoon. And shoot laser. Stop it! That's only for cartoon. So I think the next episode I'm gonna tell you about this video. Okay? So remember guys, always peace out.